Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change bullet points in Canva. So this is just a random paragraph that I copy pasted from the internet. So let's say I want to put this into a bullet points, right? So simply select all of it. And in the top bar, you can see this option that says list. Simply tap in that. And there you go. This is how you add the bullet points. So in order to change the bullet points, you can simply tap in the same option again twice. And there you go. That is how you change bullet points. The bullet points has been changed into the numbers. If you want to go back to the bullet points, you can simply tap it again and it will be removed. If you want to add bullet points again, there you go. If you want to change the bullet points, simply tap again and there you go. There's a series of numbers. Yeah, this is how you change bullet points. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.